Hello and welcome! Today I am going to show you how easy it is to buy crypto using M-Pesa and Kenyan Shillings. First, open the link that your friends send you and click on Buy Cellit Tokens. Next, enter the amount of KSh you want to spend. Input your M-Pesa number. You'll then need to enter the verification code. Copy the credentials provided and paste them into your M-Pesa. Finally, confirm the KSh payment in your M-Pesa. Congratulations, your payment has been successfully received. Now open the platform and discover your personal cabinet. Here you can see your staking deposit, withdraw your USDT staking rewards, grow your community, and earn airdrops in USDT token. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more helpful guides. Goodbye!